Hello all. In the previous video, we have seen the basic structure of C program and the .c extension. In this video, we will see the first line of the basic structure in detail. The first line is hash include stdio.h. Hash include stdio.h. Let us split this line into two words. One is hash include directive in the left side and stdio.h header file in the right side. Let us see stdio.h in detail. stdio stands for standard input and output. stdio.h is just a file. The file saved with .h extension is called header file. So stdio.h is a header file. This header file provides ready-to-use functions. This stdio.h file contains declarations for functions used for input and output operations in C program. What is input and output operation? Input operation. It allows programs to receive data from users, files or other resources. For example, we type in our keyboard, we click the mouse or we touch the screen. These are input operations. Output operations. The programs display the results, messages or data to users or files or other destinations. For example, the executed results are displayed on the monitor. stdio.h file provides function for this input and output operations. This function provides by stdio.h are essential for interacting with the users and handling data in C programs. Some common functions provided by stdio.h file. Printf and scanf are the most important functions in C program. Printf function is used to print the output to the screen. Similarly, scanf function is used to read input from the user through keyboard. Similarly, they are fprintf, fscanf, getchar, putchar functions which are used for other kinds of input-output operations. Function declaration versus function definition. The stdio.h file contains only the information or the declaration of the functions but not the implementation. The actual implementation of the functions declared in stdio.h file is provided in the C standard library or the C runtime library. This library contains the compiled code for functions like printf, scanf and other functions declared in stdio.h. When you compile your C program, the linker links your code with the appropriate library functions, so you can use them in your live program. Hash include directive. The primary purpose of hash include directive is to include external files in your C program. The hash include directive tells the preprocessor to insert the contents of another file into the source code at the point where the hash include directive is found. Header files like stdio.h are included in the C program using the hash include directive. By including header files, we can reuse code, enhance modularity, and improve code readability. How hash include works. When the preprocessor encounters an hash include directive, it replaces it with the contents of included file. For example, in my C program, when I write hash include stdio.h, this line is replaced with the contents of stdio.h file. This process is known as file inclusion and happens before the actual compilation of the program. The included file can itself contain hash include directives, allowing for nested inclusion of files. This means that the included file can contain hash include directives to include another file in a nested manner.